This tutorial is about inheritance in C#. A class can have another class accessing its properties and methods. You are defining one class in terms of another class. Benefits are that it makes it easier to create and maintain applications, and it allows more code reuse. When creating a class, instead of writing completely new data members and functions, you can define that the new class should inherit the members of an existing class. The existing class is called the base class, and the new class is called the derived class. One example would be tracking people and accounts at a bank. A customer account class, cust account, as the base class would hold information about the bank customer, the customer ID and name, and then it can have a method that displays object properties to the console. The derived class would be an account that represents the customer, such as saving or checking or an IRA. Properties would be the account number and balance. A method displays the object information. Inheritance means that all of the properties and methods from the base object, here the customer information, are available to the child object. We have the main class, customer account, which has properties, the customer ID and name, a constructor, accessors, and a method which displays customer information. The derived class savings has properties, account number, and balance, a constructor, accessors, and a method which displays the object properties as well as the customer information from its parents class. When I create a customer account object in the console, I see the message showing the constructor was called and also the customer information displayed. When I create the savings object, I only told it to call the constructor for savings, but since it inherits from customer account, it automatically called the customer account constructor, which you can see in the console output. In summary, a class can have another class accessing its properties and methods. You are defining a class in terms of another class. Benefits are that it makes it easier to create and maintain applications, and it allows more code reuse.